Hello friends, this video is for reference for the people who fill many forms online and they require to upload their uh, photographs or the signature in the form. So there's a requirement, there's special requirement from the organization or the companies that the image size should be in a certain range, like if it requires to be in between 50 to 100 kb, but it doesn't happen because people sometimes they struggle to put the image in that particular size. Yes, there are many tools available in the market on the internet, basically you can download it and you can edit it, but sometimes it is not possible for all of them to do it, and also it requires some skill, right? So like we have Adobe Photoshop, but like all the people cannot do it, and also you require a license for that. So in this video I'll show how to edit the image or photograph in a certain manner so that it can be uploaded easily, and you can maintain or you can edit the image according to your will, and it is just a simple editing. So it not require uh, some special tool. So the most of the tools which will basically there's only one tool which I'm going to use it, and using that you can easily do your editing, and that is Microsoft Office basically. So Microsoft Office is available in most of the computers, so you can easily do your editing and right. Okay, so I'll just use some image right now. So I have an image which is kind of a sample signature, and I'll be using this image for the demo. So basically I'll just open this image. So normally what people will do to upload their signature, they have their cameras, the personal digital cameras or the mobile cameras. So they'll take the photographs of the mobile cameras from their mobile cameras, and they will upload in their computers. So uh, but the image size is, like, it's a very big, and basically you have to crop it up, and you have to take only the size, basically the size which you need. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll open this image. First I'll just rename it, say demo 1, and I'll open it. I'll right click on it and say open with Microsoft Office 2010. I means if you have any office, that will do. Like I have a version 2010 with my machine, so I'm using it. So when this application this tool basically opens this image, you'll be provided with many small options, so you can use these things, and I'll go one by one. So first thing, useful thing which or useful option which you have is this rotating option. So you don't know how, with what position or what camera angle you have taken it, so you can change the you can rotate the image according to how it fits. So here, like it's now it's in the correct format. So uh, now this image is ready to be edited. Now I'll go for the edit pictures. See, there's another option that says autocorrect. I'll not go for this option. Basically, it's not that much of use right now. So I'll use this edit pictures option, and I'll click on it. When I click on this edit pictures, it'll provide it with some editing options on your right side of the panel. So you have a brightness and the contrast option, the color, the crop, rotate and flip, red eye removal. This is not of our use right now. Yes, basically if you are editing a, a photograph, that at the time definitely is going to be used. Then we have resize and the compress picture. Uh, we'll be using these options to edit our image or signature in the right form. So first thing which I would suggest to do the cropping. So cropping is what basically you can set the size, that is the height and width of this image according to you. There's two way to do that. The first thing is using freehand, that is you can just cast corner and you can set it according to your perception. This here, I'll cast the bottom right corner again and just try to set it. Okay, so here now it has been set. So this is a freehand. Also you can go for uh, this option. You can set this the pixel size from left, right, top and bottom, and you can use and you can get this same thing done from here also, but I usually go for the freehand. Okay, so now you can see here this original size, which was 2448 by 3264 pixels. Now it has been converted to 12735 pixels. um, I'll click OK. Okay, so now you know this size is really huge, uh, but it doesn't look good. Okay, and if you save this image, say you can save this image by pressing Ctrl plus S, or you can go for this save icon which is present top menu bar. You can say just press it, click on it, and it saves the image. Now I'll go for the folder where this image is, and you can see the size of the image, which is 117 KB. So normally what I have seen that many of the online forms, they require below 100 KB. So I'll go for some other options to reduce it. So the second option I'll be using is like to get the panel again. I'll click on this edit pictures. So we'll again this option panel is displayed, and now the second option which I'll go for is resize. Okay, so now this resize option will provide you to resize the image in a particular size. Like here I have 0246768. These are the default options which are provided. You can ideally you can just go for any of the options and you can press OK to reduce it, or you can go for the custom width and height and width, where you can set the pixel size uh, uh, of your own choice, and it will reduce it automatically, and basically it will know adjust according to the picture and reduce it. Or you can go for the percentage decrease of the size, if you say I want to decrease it by 70% or say 70%, then automatically the new size you can see here that it has changed to 891 by 368 pixels. So if I click on OK, see, so my image size has decreased. Okay, so now here if I'll save this, so I'll just open it again. You can see that image size and has been further decreased to 54 KB. So it all depends on the original size. When it was using more pixel, it was the size of the image was more. So you can easily adjust according to your just to use any of the option, or you can just go for one option that is the percentage of original width and height, and you can adjust the size of it, and you can reduce the size of the full image. If you want another option to reduce it, suppose you have a image and you don't want to further change or alter the height and width of the image, then you go for another option, which is the compress picture option. So here are the four options which are provided, and which you can use it to further decrease the size. So normally to decrease it has its own default behavior. So I'll just select this web page option, and you can see the original was 53.9 KB, and the current, after compressing the image, it will decrease further to 28.7 KB. So I'll say OK. So it's further reduced the height and width pixel size, as well as it compressed the picture to 20 almost 29 KB. Again, I'll press Ctrl plus S to save the image, or you can click on this save icon. I'll go to the folder and check the image size. So you can see here the image size has been further decreased to 14 KB. Right, so it again means it depends on according to the image size, whatever has been said in the form. Now this is the main thing which actually you require to upload it in your form. But further, if suppose like here you can see the image, it looks like bit dull. So if you want to just give a touch up on the image, so you can click on this edit pictures again, go for the brightness and the contrast option, and you can adjust the settings like brightness, contrast, or mid-tone. If normally if you just adjust the mid-tone, you can see the changes as you scroll. Sorry, as you slide, you can make out the changes, or you can just change the contrast to sharpen up the image. Like you can see the signature is coming up brightly. So you can everything you can adjust according to your use, and the best whatever you can adjust, you can just keep it. Okay, so this is the final image, which I think this I can upload it in the form. So I'll save it, and we are ready to upload it. Okay, so this is a very simple way to do the whole thing, and how I have done for this signature, we can do the same thing with the photograph also. The normal photograph, you can take the photograph from anywhere, from your mobile cam or digital cam, or you have if you have received from anywhere from some studio or anywhere, you can just take the digital form of it. You can edit it according to your requirement, or the requirement whatever that has been set by the company or organization. You can edit it and you can easily upload it. Okay, thank you very much for viewing this video. Have a good day.